people. Yay! Oh my gosh. I didn't think I was gonna make it here because I overslept. I'm not feeling great, but so excited to go on all the rides. Ratatouille, Crush's Coaster, some other Toy Story ones, Sleepy Dog. No, I don't want to go on that. Tower of Terror, maybe. Okay, let's do this. Goofy, where are you going? Wait, goodbye. I guess we'll follow him because this is the only way to go anyways. Oh no, it's not. I have to go this way. Oh, we have to go through here. This is the park. It's inside. What? Okay. Now I'm inside. Oh, this is cute. Go through this little, like, shopping arcade. Oh, that's very nice. Makes me feel a little claustrophobic, though. Ah, I want to be outside. Gas station, this is your last chance, guys. And here we are at Tower of Terror. And there is Crush's. I'm gonna do that. Crush's Coaster. Crush's Coaster. Crush's Coaster. Yeah. Alright, I'm in line for Crush's Coaster. It's a 45-minute wait. They have a single rider, but it's closed for some reason. But yesterday at Disneyland, all the rides were much shorter than what the line said, but this one looks like it might actually be 45 minutes. Oh my gosh, that was so fun. Oh my goodness, that was incredible. I think my eyelashes flew off on that ride. That was almost worth all the anxiety that I had during the line. Woo! That was me. Oh my gosh, now it's a 35-minute wait. Should I do it again? Not right now, but maybe later. But I had the worst anxiety during the line. People were standing so close. I'm wearing my gloves because I don't want to touch the ride. But people were standing so close to me, and I'm like, with this coronavirus going around, you would think they would want to stay further away from people, but they were just literally touching me, touching my body with their body in line. Why? Why? Like inside. Yeah, that's basically what it looked like in the dark. Super fun. Okay. Next ride. I don't know what it's gonna be. Something a little low-key though, that's for sure. Ooh, Ratatouille's this way. Okay, I wanna do something fun. Something chill. No, not that. Cars. Not that. This little mini baby Cars land is adorable. I love this. It's a little baby Cars land. I like it. They were like, California Adventure, that's cute. That's cute. We'll take some of that. Thank you. Thanks. Toy Story Playland. Yes, this is what I want to do. Yes. This is great.
Greetings.
Hello.
Sergeant and his Green Army men have established a recon post for their next mission.
Yes.
They're now preparing for Operation Parachute Drop. Codename Papa Delta. Their mission? Have fun.
Okay, okay. Parachute drop. Have fun. Got it. I got it. I got you. And this is like, they went to Walt Disney World and they were like, yeah, that's cute. We gonna do that too. That's cute. Look, I really don't know. I don't have any facts for you guys. You know I don't know what I'm talking about. Oh no, the Toy Story, the drop is closed. The soldier drop. Oh no, oh no. It's closed? Oh, because of the wind. Okay, okay. That makes sense. Bummer. But Buzz just told me to do that. Okay, well, Nothing looks very low-key. Slinky dog. Spinny, spin, spin. Cool. Oh, so it's just gonna go around in a circle. Very neat. Very neat. Hey, Slinky dog. There they go. Spinny, spin, spin. Fun. I'll pass, but thanks, Slinky dog. Okay, what about the RC Racer? 20-minute wait. Okay, let's do this one. Although maybe this one isn't so low-key. Ah! Okay, I chose the RC Racer ride, which does not look very low-key, but I like excitement, you know? I like thrills. Oh my gosh. There's no one in line in front of me, but I'm walking far. It's like a whole maze. Oh, it's not a maze. It's a racetrack. Duh. Fun, fun. Here we go, here we go. Oh my gosh, oh, I'm excited. It's like, it's kind of like I'm at Boomers going on the dragon ship. This is fun. Don't forget to top up on your petrol. Right there, petrol station. This is exciting. A brand new ride that I've never been on, and I've never seen, and I've never heard of. It's gonna be fun. Okay. Wow. Wow. Fantastic. I'm not doing that one again. Wow. Oh. That was fun. I definitely need something a little bit calmer right now. Maybe ratatouille. Maybe food. Maybe I should just take a break. I made it to the Ratatouille land. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love it. Oh my god, look at it. This is so cute. It's like little teeny fake Paris. It is so adorable. Okay, guess I'll go on the ride. 25 minutes. I kind of want to go on the ride now and get a fast pass for later. Ooh. Okay, pancakes. Savory pancake. Ooh. Crepes. Nice. And hot chocolate. Nice. Ooh. Bonjour. Can I get the quiche Lorraine? Quiche Lorraine. Yes, one quiche. And a pretzel. Mm-hmm. Where's my wallet? I didn't bring my wallet. I didn't bring my wallet. This is great. Okay, I got the quiche Lorraine and a pretzel. Yay! So cute. Mmm. That's a delicious pretzel. Almost like I'm in Germany. Quiche Lorraine tastes like hammy.
À tout à l'heure, merci beaucoup.